This time, we are going to determine the value of the resistance from the 5-band color code. First 3 bands represent the digits. The 4th one represents the multiplier or number of zeros, and the 5th one represents the tolerance. So let's take a look what we are going to have over here. Gray is number 8. Red is number 2. Orange is number 3. Yellow is number 4, but because it's at the 4th position, and the 4th position in the 5-band resistor is the multiplier or number of zeros, I'm going to write 4 zeros, and the tolerance plus minus 1%, because brown represents the tolerance plus minus 1%. We have to convert this notation to engineering notation. By moving decimal point 3 times to the left, I'm going to get K. I mean kiloohms. If I'm going to move extra 3 places, I'm going to have mega. That's why the resistance of this resistor is 8.23 mega ohms plus minus 1% of the tolerance. This is the resistance of this resistor. Let's take a look at the second one. I have red. Red is 2. Violet is 7. Black is 0. Orange is telling me how many zeros I'm going to have. 1, 2, 3, because orange represents 3. Red represents tolerance 2%, plus minus 2%. Again, I have to convert this to engineering notation. I have to move my decimal point. If I'm going to move 3 times, I'm going to have 270 kiloohms plus minus 2%. Remember, anytime you are going to move the decimal point 3 times to the left, you are going to end up with kiloohms. That's why this is the resistance of this resistor.